Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Smartsheet attachment permissions and sharing links, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Smartsheet attachment permissions, start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the specific sheet containing the attachments you want to check. Open the sheet by clicking on its name in your workspace. Locate the attachments section, typically found in the right sidebar or on the bottom panel. Click on the attachment file you wish to review. A window will pop up displaying the attachment details. In this window, look for the Permissions Settings section. You will see options indicating who has access to the attachment. If the attachment is shared, it will list the users with permission. To check the sharing settings for the entire sheet, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing settings, review the list of users and their access levels. You can change permissions by selecting a user and choosing a different access level from the drop-down menu. If needed, remove users by clicking the X next to their name. For sharing links, return to the main sheet view. Click on the Share button again to access linking options. Check if the Anyone with the link toggle is enabled. If it is, take note of the access level set for link sharing. Adjust the settings as necessary, ensuring the correct permissions are in place. Once adjustments are made, click Done to save any changes. This will ensure that your attachments and sharing links are correctly managed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.